Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So if you're diving into the world of cryptocurrencies, you may have heard of MetaMask. But is it really the best crypto wallet for Ethereum users? Let's unpack what makes it tick, and whether it's really worth your time, especially if you're just starting out with Ethereum, NFTs, decentralized apps, or token swaps. MetaMask is a crypto wallet that allows users to manage their Ethereum and ERC20 tokens directly from their browser or mobile device. What's really interesting is how user-friendly it is. The setup process is straightforward, making it accessible for both newbies and seasoned crypto enthusiasts. You can install it as a browser extension, create a wallet, save your recovery phrase, and start connecting to Web3 platforms without needing complicated hardware or advanced technical knowledge. You can easily send, receive, and swap tokens within the app, which is a huge plus for anyone looking to trade on the go. This makes it useful if you want to move funds between exchanges, connect to NFT marketplaces, or use decentralized finance platforms. However, while it shines in usability, there are areas that might raise eyebrows. For instance, the browser extension can sometimes be a bit glitchy, which could lead to frustrating user experiences. Small issues like failed transactions, slow loading, or network switching problems can be annoying, especially when gas fees or timing matter. Plus, it's crucial to remember that as a non-custodial wallet, you are fully responsible for your private keys. If you lose them, goodbye to your assets. This level of responsibility might be daunting for some users. Unlike a regular app, where you can reset your password through email, crypto wallets do not usually work that way. So you need to store your recovery phrase safely, avoid screenshots, and never share it with anyone, no matter how official a message looks. Overall, MetaMask offers a solid entry point into the crypto world, but it's not without its quirks. It gives users control, flexibility, and access to a huge part of the Ethereum ecosystem. But that control also comes with responsibility. For beginners, it can be a great first wallet, as long as you take security seriously from the start. Now, let's break down the pros and cons of MetaMask. On the positive side, the wallet's intuitive interface and ease of use make it a favorite among many Ethereum users. The ability to interact with decentralized applications, dApps, is also a major draw, as it opens up a world of potential. For example, you can connect to NFT platforms, decentralized exchanges, gaming projects, and DeFi tools directly from your wallet, which is one of the main reasons MetaMask became so popular. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some users report occasional bugs, particularly with the browser extension, which can be frustrating. Additionally, the fact that you must manage your own private keys can be a double-edged sword, great for security, but a real headache if you're not careful. If your recovery phrase is stolen, your funds can be drained. If you lose it, you may not be able to recover your wallet. So the biggest tip here is simple. Treat your seed phrase like the keys to your bank account. Furthermore, if you're looking for features like multi-chain support or advanced trading tools, you might find MetaMask lacking. It's really geared towards Ethereum and its ecosystem, so if you're into other cryptocurrencies, you may want to look elsewhere. While MetaMask can be configured for some other compatible networks, it is not always the smoothest option for users who want a wallet built for many different blockchains from day one. In conclusion, if you're an Ethereum user looking for a straightforward wallet, MetaMask is definitely worth considering. Just keep in mind the responsibility that comes with managing your own keys and the potential for hiccups in the interface. It is simple enough for beginners, but powerful enough to connect with many Web3 tools, which makes it a strong choice for anyone focused on Ethereum-based activity. If you're after a more robust multi-chain experience, though, you might want to explore other options. But if your main focus is Ethereum, tokens, NFTs, and decentralized apps, MetaMask is still one of the most practical wallets to start with. Just move slowly, double-check every transaction, and never connect your wallet to websites you do not trust.